Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another wig wig tutorial. So this wig is from a previous video, my Julia hair Peruvian 18, 20, and 22 inch wig that I previously did. I just really had to go in and straighten this hair. Like, I was so tempted to straighten this hair because I wanted to see how the final results was going to be. So that is what I'm basically doing in this hair. I wanted to test this hair and see how it handled heat. So that is what I did with the help of my friend Monique, because my lazy ass got tired after a while. So yeah, that's basically what I'm just doing. Overall, this hair is bomb.com. I've always been a big fan of Julia's hair. Their hair handles heat really, really well, and the fullness is amazing. Like, you guys are gonna see how thick this hair is. So just continue watching and you'll see my thoughts on this hair and how it finally looks. So guys, this is the hair after it's been straightened. I told you in my previous video, I said this hair is really thick. You guys can definitely see the thickness because one side looks a little poofier. But this is the hair when it is straightened. It looks like my natural hair. I feel like this hair blends in with my natural hair. It gives me a very natural look. This would more be like a protective style for me because I don't like to straighten my natural hair because I'm trying to run from that heat damage. So at least with this, I can just throw this wig on and it'll look like I straightened my hair. I didn't get to conceal up hair yet. So yeah, I just made this video really quick because I want to show you guys how it took heat. The hair looks really full. That's another thing that I like about this hair because, as I said before, I don't like when my hair looks thin. This is definitely something that I will rock going outside. It looks very, very natural. This is my baby hair that's combed down right now, but as you guys can see, it looks very natural. It legit looks like my hair. Definitely something I would rock in Jamaica. But yeah, a lot of volume as well. Let me show you guys the full length. So yeah, this is the back of the hair. A lot of movement. Definitely a lot of movement. When I was straightening the hair, there wasn't any burning smell as well. What else? There was no shedding. Even when I was brushing out the curls, there was no shedding. Again, even though it's straightened, it feels very light. And yeah, that is basically it. Definitely check out the description box for all the details on this hair. It's pretty crazy how this is Peruvian curly and this looks like it's some kind of straight type of hair. Holy. It's crazy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very quick, straight to the point type of video. Definitely check out the description box down below for all the details on this hair, and I will see you guys in my next video.